Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Today we are looking at the kind of first quick look at the Nifeliz Mobile Suit, essentially Lego adjacent type mobile suit builds. Usually I stick to the actual Bandai, Gundam style or those types of builds, but these look pretty exciting. I got it on Amazon for I think around 25 bucks. We'll open up here and take a look. I actually had to this is actually take two on the video, so I've actually opened it up before. This isn't exactly a look from scratch, but we'll take things apart here so you can see what's going on here, or take things out. We got several bags here. We'll count them up for you here in a moment. And then got a nice instruction book. Let's see here. So looking at the box here real quick, it is very sturdy. It's a thick box. It's got some views of the other mobile suits they offer. And we actually ended up ordering them all because I did like the look of it. I believe this one is the BrinoAC. I can see some nice kind of action shots in the back there. Very good. Yeah, so that's pretty much the box. Looking at the instructions here, very glossy book. Very thick, very nice pages. We got some information there of how they went with their designer there. Looks like, according to this guy says, as a Lego designer and a fan of mechs, Daniel strongly wants to make a mech by building bricks. It looks like we got some English there and some other language, and maybe it's German, I'm not really sure. Let's see here. Just keep flipping through here a little bit. Again, you can see the different mobile suits they offer there. Like I said, this is the BrinoAC. It's got some nice drawings there, and it's talking about the armor material. Looks like we're looking at the weaponry and the shields. Another weapon thing, a beam rifle and cluster NAD mine or NAD mine. You can see the build instructions there. They look pretty good. They got some color to them, so looks like if it's already built together, it's a gray, and then if you actually have some color there, then that's the parts you're adding. I'd say the colors are pretty pale. The blue looks very pale blue. I don't know if it's a red or an orange there. So there is color, but it's just on the pale side. Yeah, so that's pretty much that. We'll flip through real quick here. Towards the back, let's see, we got some suggestions on maybe how to make it look the way it's supposed to look. Thing on telling us how important posing is, and then some other instructions on back there maybe. But yeah, very nice instructions. On Amazon, I did read the reviews before I purchased this, and I'll kind of talk to you about that a little bit. I'll look at the bags here real quick. One of the criticisms was that the bags they're not numbered, which that certainly seems to be the case. The bags just are bags, and they don't tell you where to start. So the suggestion was to take them, take everything apart and kind of organize it right from the get-go before you even start putting it together, which makes some pretty good sense. See, this is kind of a bigger bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, I believe, 10 bags. So, well, that's that. I think there was some comments about it not being holding together real well while you're posing. I found that to be true with regular Gunpla models anyway, depending on the company that you happen to buy it. If Bandai versus some off-brand, Bandai I'm usually pretty successful with things holding together very well and being built together pretty well, but I've bought a couple that were super frustrating. You got it all built, it was looking beautiful, and then you try to pose it and it just falls to pieces on you. But hopefully that won't be the case with these. I'm really interested in building it, and I will probably build it on camera. Of course, I might do some jibber jabbering while I'm building there, but mostly I'm sure I'll probably just fast forward through there so you don't have to spend your entire day just watching me snap little bricks together. But anyway, thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Please like and subscribe. I do have a Patreon. If you would please consider being one of my patrons and Mostly what I'd like to do is just to help you guys, or have you guys help me decide what to build next and to review next. And so please consider it. Thank you for your time.